A Colorado wildfire burning close to 200 acres, prompting officials to evacuate close to 20,000 people over the weekend. Now, those orders have since been lifted. And even with windy weather hitting that area today, officials are confident the fire line will hold up. Rachel Skida from our Denver station reports from one of those evacuated neighborhoods.
Well, conditions have definitely improved over the last 48 hours, but fire crews still have their work cut out for them here. We're in one of the neighborhoods that had to be evacuated over the weekend as those flames got closer and closer. All evacuation orders have been lifted, but this really gives you a good perspective of how close that fire came. So there's one house right here, and you can see maybe just a couple hundred yards up this hill is where that burn area is. Very clear. You can see that black there on the other side of the grass. That's all scorched. The red around it, that's where the slurry is that was dropped from the sky on Saturday as they work to keep this fire from spreading towards these homes. Now, we did just get an update this morning. Crews expect the fire line is going to hold, so they don't think there's any immediate danger to these neighborhoods. They're really focused more on the interior part of the fire today, addressing those hot spots that we have seen flaring up throughout the morning. Wind also going to be a concern today, but they don't expect it's going to be strong enough to push this fire back out to the line that currently exists out here. Now, again, we spotted a couple small flames this morning, and we asked firefighters if that should be a concern for neighbors down here.
They shouldn't be. If they see something that's truly out of the ordinary, wispy smoke, not a big deal. They see a couple of glows in the night, not a problem. They see open flame or active fire, or any place they see, fire that they didn't see yesterday, that would absolutely be a place to call 911 and check.
So a couple quick facts right now, 35% contained. We know about 150 firefighters are going to be working out here today. Still no reports of any injuries. No structures have been damaged or destroyed either. So that is all positive and encouraging news out here today. In Boulder, I'm Rachel Skida reporting. Back to you.
Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.